Crime family, one of the 5 New York mafia families, and spent over 20 years in that life. And I'm here today to review some iconic scenes from various mafia movies, TV shows, so on and so forth. I think you'll find it very interesting.
You think I'm skimming off the top, Mike?
You're unlucky.
Michael Corleone, very famous scene.
You goddamn guineas really make me laugh.
Guineas is a bad name for Italians. Nobody wants to be called that when you're Italian. Having said that, to a guy in Michael Corleone's position, wouldn't have worked. He would have got hurt right there on the spot.
I made my bones when you were going out with
I mean, he's insulting him left and right.